Question number 1. She to school every day. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 2. They playing football now. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. I a letter yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 4. We seen that movie before. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 5. The sun in the east. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 6. He not like ice cream. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 7. I to the market tomorrow. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 8. She English very well. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 9. They to Lahore last week. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 10. We finished our homework. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 11. He TV when I called him. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 12. She here since morning. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 13. I usually tea in the morning. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 14. The children playing in the park now. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 15. She to the party if she is free. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 16. We in this city for 5 years? Option B is the correct answer. Question number 17. He his work before I arrived. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 18. She reading a book when I met her. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 19. I never been to London. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 20. They arrive on time if they hurry. Option A is the correct answer.